I'm writing on the book. So we are going to learn about active and passive voice. My board is visible to everyone. Show me your virtual thumbs. It is visible. Active and passive voice. In earlier class, previous class also you have learned about active and passive voice. In active voice, subject is the doer. Let me make you understand with the help of examples. I write a letter. So here, I is subject, write is verb, and letter is object. Okay, or you can write this also, letter is object. Okay, up to this much is clear. So in active voice, subject is the doer. If we will talk about active voice, the subject is the doer. And if I will talk about passive voice, object will become the subject. A letter is written by, as you can see, this is simple present tense. Simple present tense will not be changed. Okay. A letter, singular, with singular we are using is MR because it is simple present tense. So we will use auxiliary verb is MR. Clear? If it is simple present tense, so we will use auxiliary verb is MR. Up to this much is clear, children? Why we are putting is MR? A letter is written when we are changing into active voice to passive voice. Verb third form will come. Verb third form. In all the passive voice, we will have verb third form irrespective of the tenses types. Like if it is simple present, simple past, simple future, present perfect, present past perfect, okay, future perfect, or present continuous past, whatever will be the types of sentence, it will change into verb third form. Okay, in passive voice is written by I will become me. I will become me here. Am I clear, children? I will become me. So what are the changes occur here? I will become me. We will become us. You will remain you. They will become them. They, them. She, her. He, him. So these will be the changes occur. Okay. I hope up to this much is clear, children. Okay, fine. Now you can see here letter is written by me. So this is the case of simple present tense. First, whenever, what is your first step? First read the sentence. Then find out whether it is simple present, present continuous, present perfect, which kind of tense it is. First you need to understand which is the tense. Like this is simple present. So when it is simple present, so we will use is MR. Okay. Am I clear, children? If it is simple present, Haryanshi, pay attention, beta. If it is simple present, then is MR will come. Avika, pay attention. Okay. Now I will change into simple past. I wrote a letter. I wrote a letter. So when I have written this, you can simply say this is active voice and this is simple past. Okay. So when we are changing simple past into passive voice, a letter, what will be the changes here? A letter was written by me because it is past tense. So in past tense, we have auxiliary verb was, were. So you can see, children, where is the change occur? Here only verb changes wrote. So we have changed the auxiliary verb also, was. Clear up to this much, children? Clear? Clear to everyone? Show me your virtual thumbs so that I will move further. You have to check the tense. Formula is same. Formula is same. You can see here subject plus auxiliary verb plus verb third form plus object. Same here, subject plus auxiliary verb plus verb third form plus object. According to tense, auxiliary verb will be changing. Okay. Now I will take the example of future. I will write a letter. I will write a letter. So it will become a letter. A letter will be written by me. Verb third form you can see in each all the sentences, whatever will be the sentence type. When it is changing into passive voice, verb third form is coming by me. Okay? By me. Clear, children? A letter will be written by me. Clear up to this much? Up to this much is clear to everyone? Janmajay, Vyan, Atharv, Pulkit, Lakshay, Srajal, Astha, Haryanshi, Anantanadi. Clear? Now we will take the example of present continuous, past continuous, and future continuous. So I will write here. I'll make changes here. You just see. For present continuous, what I'm going to write? I am writing a letter. I have told you that in all passive voice, what is coming? Verb third form is coming. So to remove this ing, we will put being. We will put being. A letter is being written by me. A letter is being written by me. Am I clear, children? A letter is being written by me. Okay. So to remove ing, we have to put being and verb third form in all. Then we'll come on to the next. I was writing a letter. I was writing a letter. So what will come here? What will come here? What change will occur? A letter was being written by me. So you can see here, a letter was being written by me. Only this change I have made. Clear? So same way, I will write, I will be writing a letter. I will be writing a letter. I will be writing a letter. In simple future, future continuous. Future continuous is not frequently in use. Okay, so I'm not changing it. We will learn future perfect. In passive voice, you will have future, simple future, and future perfect. Okay, you will not have future continuous. You will have future perfect. Okay, only two tenses are used in passive voice: simple future and future perfect. Avika, is there any problem still? Avika, is there any problem still? Okay, it's clear now. Okay, now we'll move on to the present perfect tense. I have written a letter. Children, notice the changes. What changes I am making in the tenses. Just notice the changes. I have written a letter. Okay, I have written a letter. So you can see here, verb third form is already there. So what changes we are going to make only? A letter has been, because letter is singular. With singular we are using has. A letter has been. In passive voice, been is coming. Has been written by me. Same way, I had written a letter. I had written a letter. Written a letter. I had written a letter. A letter had been written by me. A letter had been written by me. A letter had been written by me. So in future perfect, we are going to write will have been. If I'll talk here about future, I will have written a letter. written a letter. A letter will have been written by me. Will have been written by me. That's it. Have been written by me. Up to this much is clear, children. So we'll do the exercise part. Clear, children? Any problem to anyone? Show me your virtual thumbs. If it is clear to you all. Clear to all?